perhaps the most challenging of all human relationships. No ceremony can create your marriage. Only you can do that through love and patience, through trust and with respect, through talking and listening, by helping and supporting and believing in each other. Stephan and Kamillah are celebrating their fusion of strong and proud cultures. Stephan is a mixture of East European Jewish values and traditions, joined with French Haitian values and traditions. Kamillah is a child of African American, Native American, and Southern values and traditions. Although they did not even know each other while studying at Cornell, they share core beliefs in the values of liberal arts education and the perfectibility of our society. Tonight's wedding will include various symbols of their cultural identities. Will you, Stephan, take this woman to be your wedded wife?
I do.
Will you, Kamillah, take this man to be your wedded husband?
I do. I want to navigate through this life with you until the end. Je veux naviguer dans la vie avec toi jusqu'à la fin. Je t'aime, mon amour. Je suis à toi et tu es à moi.
Now, as we continue our journey together into marriage and family, I vow to give you my unwavering trust, commitment, partnership, and love. I will protect you, take care of you, I will teach you. I will continue to pull principles with you. I will help you grow to become whoever you are. And I will love you always.
I give you this ring as a daily reminder of my love for you.
As a daily reminder of my love for you.
By the power of your love and public commitment, and the power vested in me by the state of New Jersey, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Mazel tov. You may kiss each other.
That's not.
Stephan, first question. I want to know, who said I love you first? Who's the bigger baby? Is it Kamillah or Stephan? Who's the bigger baby when they're sick? Who's gonna chuck it tonight first? Kamillah or Stephan? What?
I don't know each loved one here this evening, but still, here we all are, gathered here in support and service to love. A love we've each had the distinct pleasure to watch grow, overcome any obstacles, and become the very powerful union we see here today.
You are both intelligent and kind and mischievous, and the perfect partners in crime. I have no doubt that you'll share many incredible adventures and challenges together.
I wish you a long, happy life together, full of wonderful travels, travel the world, enjoy each other, laugh, sing, play, be happy, just have a wonderful life.
And I can't wait to see all these different stories that are going to be in the new year and after their marriage grows.
I wish you the best, and we are always here to support you, and I love you both to pieces.
And hope you will join me in wishing Kamillah and Stephan a wonderful life together.
To two beautiful souls who have their heads but have lost their hearts to one another. Salut! Salut! We love you!
And I want to have another toast to them.
Thank you so much.
Thank you all. Okay. We are overjoyed by your messages, your appreciation, your impromptu moments. We can't wait to celebrate in person when we're able to. We wish you all peace, health, happiness, and love. Thank you. Cheers and Happy New Year!